Welcome to Car Update. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 Summit Hauler motorhome, a vehicle that is redefining what it means to travel in style, comfort, and rugged confidence. The Summit Hauler brand has always stood for premium quality and heavy-duty reliability, and this year's model takes things to a whole new level. Built on a commercial-grade chassis with unmatched towing and hauling capabilities, the 2025 Summit Hauler motorhome is more than just a luxury RV. It is a powerhouse designed for long journeys, tough terrains, and ultimate convenience for those who demand more from their adventures on the road. At first glance, the exterior styling is bold and unmistakable. The 2025 Summit Hauler motorhome features an aerodynamic yet commanding design, with a wide grille, LED adaptive headlights, and a tall stance that reflects strength and confidence. The use of high-strength aluminum and composite panels makes the motorhome both lightweight and durable, ensuring fuel efficiency without compromising toughness. Its multiple storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the body, providing plenty of room for outdoor gear, luggage, and travel essentials. Paired with a selection of bold new color options and custom trim packages, the Summit Hauler is built to turn heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 model boasts a new generation diesel engine that delivers incredible torque and long-haul efficiency. This powertrain is paired with an advanced automatic transmission system that makes shifting seamless and smooth, whether you are driving through city streets or climbing steep mountain passes. Summit Hauler has also integrated a state-of-the-art towing package, allowing owners to pull trailers, boats, or even horse haulers with confidence. With improved suspension technology and an upgraded braking system, the ride feels secure, stable, and incredibly comfortable for long-distance travel. Stepping inside, the 2025 Summit Hauler motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels than a traditional RV. Premium leather seating, solid wood cabinetry, and high-grade flooring create an elegant and inviting environment. The living area includes modern recliners, a spacious sofa, and a convertible dining setup that easily accommodates family and guests. One of the standout features is the panoramic windows that bring in natural light while giving passengers breathtaking views of the outdoors. The interior lighting has been upgraded with customizable LED ambient modes, letting you create the perfect mood for any time of day or night. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, a convection oven, a full-size refrigerator, and a smart microwave. Quartz countertops and deep storage cabinets make cooking and meal prep effortless. The smart home integration also extends here, with touch panel controls for lighting, climate, and appliances, all of which can be monitored through a smartphone app. For long journeys, the motorhome offers an energy-efficient climate control system, advanced insulation, and a quiet generator that ensures comfort no matter where you are parked. The 2025 Summit Hauler motorhome's bedroom suite is another highlight, featuring a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, multiple wardrobes, and a built-in entertainment center. The bathroom brings a spa-like experience with a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and premium finishes that rival high-end hotels. Summit Hauler has also paid attention to connectivity, offering satellite internet, 5G compatibility, and multiple USB-C charging points throughout the cabin so travelers stay connected while on the move. On the safety and technology front, this model is equipped with advanced driver assistance. Systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering the large vehicle surprisingly easy. A digital cockpit with a massive infotainment display provides navigation,